Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do a battery drain test while playing the movies in the Amazon Prime application. So right now, the charge the Realme X2 device to the 100%. As you can see here right now, the battery 100%. So before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru. I'll be posting a lot of interesting reviews and tips and tricks and a lot of comparison videos. So you can check the playlist of the Realme X2 device in the description. So you can find a lot of different comparisons which I did on the Realme X2 device. So during this test, I'll be connecting to the Wi-Fi network and I'll be using with the 50% of the brightness. As you can see, I turned off the auto brightness mode as well. So let me show you the settings about the phone, exactly what variant I'm using right now. And here I got the stopwatch ready as well right now. So I connected to the earphones, not with the loudspeaker. I am playing this video. So only with the earphones I'll be playing the continuously full movie. So let me show you exactly what volume I'm using. As you can see, 60% of the volume. So I'll be continuing the test, completing the movie, and let's check how much time it actually takes to drain this phone if you're watching the Amazon Prime movies or any TV shows. So in this video I'll be just playing the movie. So for comparison, even I will be doing the 1 hour and 2 hour test as well. So I'll be recording for every 1 hour and 2 hours how much the battery is dropping in the Realme X2 device. So we'll get to know in this video. So this with the Wi-Fi test, not with the 4G connected to the device. So for more interesting videos, subscribe to my channel guys. Same kind of test I did on the Realme X2 Pro as well. So if you want to know more about the Realme X2 Pro, do check the links in description for the video. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back after 1 hour and we'll get to know how much the battery has been drained in the Realme X2. Increase of 6% in the battery, so that's a very good thing. So in terms of the battery backup and battery draining in the Realme X2 device, so if you watch 2.5 hours of movie, that means it will be close to decreasing of 12 to 15% of battery if you're watching one movie in the Amazon Prime. So these are tests which I did with a Wi-Fi connection, maybe with the 4G data and with the increased brightness, that results might be vary. So now let me continue the test again further, and let's check after 2 hours exactly how much the batteries are dropping. And again I'll be back after once the movie get completely finished. So we'll get to know after watching this one movie completely, so how much the battery will be drained and dropped. So again I'll be back after one hour. So as you can see here friends, exactly it's been 2 hours of playing the KGF movie in the Realme X2 device. So let's check what is the battery percentage, how much it is right now in the device. As you can see here, it's 88 percentage. So that means for every 1 hour there is a constant decrease in of 6% in terms of the battery life in the Realme X2 device. So if you're using with the 50% of brightness, so let me show you the brightness as well. As you can see here, 50% of brightness. So this is a test which I'll be continuing until the end of the movie. So let's check how many movies you can actually play in the Amazon Prime from the 100% to the 0%. So final friends, it's been 2 hours and 30 minutes and movie is about to end. And let's check the right now the battery percentage in the Realme X2 device. So as you can see, it's 83%. So overall, I have watched this one movie 2 hours and 30 minutes, and there's a decrease in of 15% in the Realme X2 device, which is pretty good. So these are tests which I did with the Wi-Fi to the Wi-Fi connection, Wi-Fi connected, and the earphones plugged in. So overall, you can watch up to 6 to 7 movies on the Realme X2 device, depending on the duration of the movies. So this is a very good battery backup of the Realme X2 device. So same kind of test I did with the other smartphones as well. Don't forget to check the playlist of other smartphones, so you'll get a clear idea. So a lot of different tests I'll be doing again in the Realme X2 device in the future. Stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.